creation of Punjab Forensic Science Authority has contributed a lot to the training of the officers, successful prosecution and conviction of hundreds of cases. In order to ensure the physical fitness, these officers undergo a 6 weeks long tactical training at Bediya. Besides academic and physical training, National Police Academy consistently strives to inculcate the values of integrity, empathy, and compassion to serve the nation in the best possible manner. Sir, I am pleased to inform you that the National Police Academy, as a premier training institute for the law enforcement organizations, has developed in-service capacity building courses for all senior police officers and sister organizations, including Frontier Constabulary, FIA, IB, NAB, Pakistan Customs, and other law enforcement agencies. Dear sir, today this young cohort will formally be joining larger fraternity of Pakistan Police Service with a crucial responsibility of leading police forces throughout the length and breadth of the country, from the mighty Himalayas in the north to the Arabian Sea in the south, from the rough on the mountainous terrains of west to the fertile plains of east. Policing is a professionally demanding and physically challenging profession. This nation, united under the green and white, is looking towards these officers as the leaders who will be responsible for internal security, maintenance of order, and protection of life, honor, and property of citizens without discrimination of color, caste, creed, and religion. मैं इस मौके पर ग्रेजुएटिंग क्लास को, उनके ख़ानदानों को मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ और इस मौके पर नेशनल पुलिस एकेडमी के वो तमाम अफसरान, फैकल्टी मेंबर्स, इंस्ट्रक्टर्स जिन्होंने इंतहाई जांफशानी से इन अफसरान की तरबियत में हिस्सा लिया, मैं उनका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ और उनको शाबाश देता हूँ. At National Police Academy, we firmly believe in the motto that the change for tomorrow begins today. Police is not an ordinary service, sir, but a unique way of life. On this momentous day, during our journey, let's not forget our martyrs who laid down their lives to make this nation and this service as a proud service. मोहतरम इज़्ज़त-ए-माब जनाब वज़ीर आज़म साहब, इदारे इतने ही मौसर और अच्छे होते हैं जितनी कि उनकी तरबियती इदारे बेहतर हों. नेशनल पुलिस एकेडमी मुल्क में पुलिस का सबसे बड़ा तरबियती इदारा है. 2008 में जब साबिका वज़ीर आज़म पाकिस्तान ने पासिंग आउट परेड का मुआयना किया था, उस वक्त उन्होंने नेशनल पुलिस एकेडमी के सामने मौजूद खाली 30 एकड़ ज़मीन पुलिस एकेडमी के जिस्मानी तरबियत में, जिसमें घोड़सवारी, ऑब्स्टिकल्स, जिस्मानी वर्जिश